I gave you 10 years to live your life.
Now you see me rise.
And where did that get you? You walked in my shadow. I trained you. So the most dangerous people in the world couldn't kill you. Son, it's time for you to take your place by my side.
You better watch out, 'cause it's my time. Some power in this soul mine.
That's not going to happen.
It's a new era, yes, I come alive. You woke up the dragon.
You can't outrun
I run from mine.
who you really are.
Who are you?